how to change text color on a message or email on Gmail. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to Gmail. Now let's send a message. For example, this is the message, test message. Now if you want to change the color of this, all what you have to do is click here and then select the text that you want to change the color of, for example this, and go here. Now choose the color, choose the color that you want, and it's changed as you can see. It's very easy and you can change anything you want. You can also change the background as you can see here. And yeah, if this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the very end. See you later.